This video is going to help you to enroll in our Eduphoria e-courses for bloodborne pathogens and for sexual harassment for the 2013 school year so that you can get credit for both of these classes. So the first thing you're going to do is to open a browser window. You can use any browser that you would like. That's Firefox, Chrome, Safari, Internet Explorer. And when you open the browser window, you're going to go to the Eduphoria website, which is brenham.schoolobjects.com. I'll put it on the screen so that you can see it, but it's brenham.schoolobjects.com. When you get to the Eduphoria website, you will not be logged in. So let me go ahead and log myself out here. It'll look like this with a login screen, and you're going to put in your Brenham K-12 email address. If you're an employee that was here in the 2012-2013 school year, last school year, we did change passwords last year, if you remember. The technology department, did not change your Eduphoria password. So when you try to do your password right here, if you changed it to your GS password, then please use that. If you did not, you can try your original password. If you cannot remember your password, contact the technology person on your campus and we'll help reset that password for you. So you're going to put in your username and your password. After logging into Eduphoria, your desktop might look a little different from mine because your rights are different, but we want you to go to Workshop. And after clicking on Workshop, we want you to see the list of workshops. So yours will probably look something like this. The bloodborne pathogens and sexual harassment workshops are e-courses this year. They're very simple, not compared to last year. They're very, very simple, and you're going to register for them and watch the video and answer the questions all within Eduphoria. So you're going to stay right here in this user panel to do that. So you're going to click on the e-course in the middle of the page. You're going to scroll down and you're going to find Bloodborne Pathogens 2013 and Sexual Harassment 2013. So whichever one you want to start with. I'm going to start with Bloodborne Pathogens. So I'm going to click on it. And then notice at the top it says register for the class. Do I really want to register for this? Yes, I do. Okay, so now I'm registered and I'm ready to take the class. When this screen opens, you're going to go to course content. And then you're going to view both of these pieces. But I'm going to back out of this for right now because I want to show you what happens if you need to stop in between and come back, because that seems to be a very confusing part of using Eduphoria e-courses. So let's pretend like you're back at this page. So you've logged in, someone interrupted you and you logged out of Eduphoria and you logged back in and went to Workshop. How can you get back into bloodborne pathogens? On the left side, you're going to click My Portfolio. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. Make sure you're in the 2013-2014 school year, and you're going to click on that. And then you're going to go to course content. Notice that you can get back to it right there. Okay, so that is the best way to take care of that so that you can get in and out as you need to. And of course, that's true for every e-course. We have a lot of people trouble getting back in. Okay, so when we get to course content, notice there's 2 chapters in this course, and there may be multiple chapters in sexual harassment as well. So chapter 1 is the bloodborne pathogens. You're going to click view. It's going to take you to the content. This says watch the video bloodborne pathogens 2013. Watch the video and take the assessment to receive credit for this course. After watching the video, click the arrows on the upper right of the screen to move to the assessment. So this is what you're going to watch actually to get your content. It's that simple. We're not going anywhere else. We did all of this content in-house. Brenham ISD, my fellow instructional technologists in Brenham ISD, we all designed these together so that we didn't have to use anything outside. So you're just going to click play right here in the middle of the screen. Now, if you have some type of occurrence where this play button doesn't show or the video doesn't show in the middle, also true for sexual harassment, then change browsers. Before you call us, just change browsers and log back in because it could be that your browser's outdated. Okay, so I'm going to watch the video all the way through. When I'm 100% done, I'm going to go right up here to the upper right hand corner where the arrow is, and it's going to take me, says move to the next chapter, yes. And then I have a 10 question quiz. Okay, so I'm going to answer all of the questions. So when you get down to the last step, you're going to click score assessment. Then you have to do one last piece. So I'm going to close this window. I'm going to go back to my bloodborne pathogens window where I went to the course content right here, and I have to request credit. Notice you're not going to have the request credit right here until you have submitted the assessment. And you also have to pass the assessment. If you don't pass the assessment, then we're going to have to restart you in the course. You'll have to watch the video again and then retake the assessment. So you're going to request credit, and then you're finished with the course. So just to review, from the course registration page, you're going to go to eCourses. You're going to pick the course, and you're going to register right up here at the top. After registering for the course, if you need to get back into it, you can go to My Portfolio, go into the course content, do both pieces of the course content, the video and the 10-question quiz, and then come back to this screen and request credit. I hope this video has helped you use eCourses and Eduphoria for the 2013 school year.